what happened regarding the farm laws in Parliament and also the Kisan Parliament that is going on the streets of the national capital. Now, farmers protesting against the 3 central farm laws since last November have been holding what is now called a Kisan Sansad in streets of the national capital. This is in Jantar Mantar, just a few kilometers away from the Parliament itself. The agitation, which was held today with just 200 people, that is the protocol and the arrangement that they have with Delhi police, that every day 200 farmers will come in to Jantar Mantar from the Singhu border and they will have conversations and discussion, dialogue regarding the farm bills, what they're calling anti-farm bills. At this point, we're also told that they will be following all parliamentary norms, like there will be a speaker in this Kisan Sansad, also a deputy speaker, and also there's time for a tea break.
From Singhu on Delhi's border with Haryana, 200 farmers left this morning for Jantar Mantar in central Delhi to hold a Kisan Sansad in tandem with Parliament being held just 2 kilometers away.
Farmers have issued a whip to the parliamentarians. Normally parties do it, but this time the voters have done it. We are going there to discuss an issue which has been discussed in the Parliament of UK, New Zealand, Canada, but not in India.
At Jantar Mantar, heavy security deployment as the farmers began to arrive in buses. Prominent farmer leader Rakesh Tikayat flagged off the event.
यहाँ पे बैठेंगे, अपनी बात रखेंगे और किसान संसद भी चला सकता है, ये भारत सरकार ने मान लिया. कंडीशनल बात करते हैं, कंडीशनल बात ना करें.
But the government repeated its earlier stand.
बिल के किस प्रावधान पर उनको आपत्ति है, अगर वो आपत्ति बताएंगे तो आज भी सरकार खुले मन से उनके साथ चर्चा करने को तैयार है.
In a press briefing, new Minister of State Meenakshi Lekhi dismissed the Kisan Sansad.
किसान के पास समय नहीं है जंतर मंतर आके बैठने का, वो अपने खेत में काम कर रहा है. ये आड़तियों के द्वारा चढ़ाए गए लोग हैं, फिर किसान आप उन लोगों को बोल रहे हैं, मवाली है वो.
The Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha were adjourned during the day several times on different issues, including the farm laws. Farmers have been protesting on this issue for nearly 8 months now. They say they will continue to protest in every form they can, come rain, come sunshine.
किसान की बात को मीडिया के सामने रखने से भी आप रोकने का काम करेंगे?
ये मीडिया रोज है.
नहीं मीडिया हमें मीडिया ने बुलाया है. आप दे रहे हैं लेकिन हायर अथॉरिटी को आप बताओगे कौन सी हायर अथॉरिटी?
On the other side of Parliament, COP cited higher authorities to stop these MPs speaking about the farmers. With Chunakshi Chakrabarti in New Delhi, Anusuya Mathur for NDTV.
From Kisan Sansad to the actual Parliament, where Rahul Gandhi and other Congress MPs protested on the same issue near the Gandhi statue in Parliament House complex. They were all united in their voice against these farm laws.